There's a perception that there isn't enough infrastructure in the UK. However, we actually have more EV charge points in the UK than petrol nozzles. My name is Sean Wright. I'm the National Sales Manager for Sync Energy, part of the Seco Group PLC. What we're aiming to do as a hardware manufacturer is improve the infrastructure so that there's no anxiety around EV charging. EV infrastructure in the UK has improved massively in the last 5 years. We believe by the end of 2025, there'll be circa 100,000 charge points across the UK. The majority of people haven't got home charging yet. So there's a lot more we can do in the residential end of the market to encourage people to adopt the EV journey. There is a lot of misinformation in the market around infrastructure and the reliability of the EVs themselves. I feel as a hardware manufacturer, we can educate the public, but also the government has their role to play in increasing the infrastructure to allow local authorities have a little bit more leeway. We're trying to make the experience easier for our customers. We have increased the ability to charge by making it simpler by using QR codes or one simple app to initiate your charging. So in the UK, we have AC and DC charging. DC is quite an expensive way of bringing infrastructure to the customer, whereas AC will be typically what you see in the residential setting. AC charging is infinitely more sympathetic to the battery in your EV car as well. Most people will be using their charging network either at home or in the workplace where they're spending a longer duration of time. Those traveling on the motorway will need the DC superchargers, but obviously that comes at a cost. A third of the UK homes don't have a driveway, which has challenges. So it's really important that the public networks are increased. If people haven't got driveways, we need to ensure that there's plenty of public charge points across their local boroughs. And also we look at, can we put EV chargers into lampposts or other street furniture where there's already electricity there? One thing that needs to change in the UK, and as a hardware manufacturer, we're looking at this, is the PAS compliance. So we need to ensure that every piece of infrastructure across the UK is accessible to all types of vehicle drivers. Recent research suggests that EV vehicles are lasting as long as petrol vehicles now and actually outliving diesel vehicles. As EV sales increase in the UK, battery technology is only going to improve. This should improve the confidence in the EV consumers around the duration of how long they're going to own their vehicle. The government has done an enormous amount of good work in the renewable space in the UK. However, they would need to continue to offer grants to employers and to contractors to enable the EV infrastructure to continue to grow.